Today we're starting triangles day 3. It is the last day of a Google form. Tomorrow you'll be doing IXL, and then Friday will be a mini assessment on triangles. So today we're going to talk about the triangle inequality theorem, and then we're going to review finding the measure of angles in triangles. As always, please complete the do now. Watch the screencast of vocabulary and examples. The notes for today, it's one short theorem. It's included on the form. Please complete the Google form, and then when you're done with the math of the day, complete the reflection. So the only new concept for today is the triangle inequality theorem, which states the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third. Okay, so you have to add the two sides and see if they're greater than the third. The easiest is to start with the two smallest measures. So as you see here, 3 plus 4 is greater than 6, so it works. And then I just try every other one. If one doesn't work, then it's not a good triangle. So then I do 3 plus 6, which we know 3 plus 6 is 9, which is greater than 4, so that's good. And 4 plus 6 is greater than 3, so 3, 4, and 6 can form a triangle. Let's look at the next one. So first we start with the two smallest, so 5 plus 6. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11 equals 11. It is not greater than 11. So 5, 6, and 11 cannot be a triangle. The last example is 2, 3, and 9. So if you start with the two smallest, 2 plus 3, and we know that is 5. And 5 is not greater than 9. So it's not a triangle. Okay? If the sum of two sides is not greater than third, it cannot form a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to go through this once again. So the easiest way to start is with the two smallest sides. So in this case, 2 and 4. So we have to say, is 2 plus 4 greater than 8? And we know 2 plus 4 is 6. That is not greater than 8. So they will not form a triangle. Then we have 5, 6, and 7. So we're going to start with the two smallest. So we say 5 plus 6 is greater than 7. And we know it is because 11 is greater than 7. So we try the next combination. 6 plus 7 has to be greater than 5, which we know 13 is greater than 5. So that is good as well. And we try the last possible combination, which is 7 plus 5, which has to be greater than 6. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 12 is greater than 6. So 5, 6, and 7 form a triangle. Okay, the sum of the two sides has to always be greater than the third. So let's look at the next example, 2, 1, and 6. We start with the two smallest. 2 plus 1 is greater than 6. And we know 3 is not greater than 6. So no triangle is going to form. The last example, the same thing. I am going to start with the two smallest. So I have 6 plus 8 is greater than 15. And I know 6 plus 8 is 14, which is not greater than 15. So it is not going to work. The minute the sum of two sides is not greater than the third, it is not a valid triangle. The last concept I want to review is very similar to what you did yesterday, except now you're finding the three angles. So first you need to find the value of x. So we always set our equation, triangles are equal to 180 degrees. We are going to set our equation. So we have x plus 2x plus 2x plus 15 has to equal 180. X plus 2x is 3x, plus 2x is 5x. We have 5x plus 15 equals 180. We subtract 15 from both sides, and we get 165. So we get 5x equals 165. We divide by 5, and you get 165 divided by 5. X is equal to 33. So once I found x is equal to 33, I sub it back in. So angle A was x, so that is just going to be 33. Okay, and I can put that over here. Angle B was 2x, so I do 2 times 33, and angle B is 66. And the last angle is C, which is 2x plus 15. So I do 2 times 33 plus 15, or 66 plus 15, and I get 81. So C is 81. And remember, I can always check 66 plus 81 plus 33 should equal 180. And it does. Okay? So angle A is 33, B is 66, and C is 81. Remember to try your best. If you need help, it's best you join Zoom at 10 a.m. I will help you live. Remember the triangle inequality theorem. The sum of any two sides, sum meaning addition, has to be greater than the length of the third. Okay, this will help you with the whole first part of the form. If you have any questions, please email me.